everybody, it's Anne here from positivelypapercraft.co.uk and welcome to project number 2 of my new Remake It Monday series. Now we're going to make a really sweet, unusual little box that I made a couple of years ago. I think it was probably not long after I'd started enjoying Stampin' Up. So we're going to use Foil Frenzy. It needs to measure 10 inches by 6 inches, okay? And pop it in your scoreboard, and we're going to score the long side at 1.5 inches, 3 inches, 7 inches, excuse me, and 8.5. Okay, turn it to the short side and score at 1.5 and 4.5. Turn it back to the long side and we've got a big square kind of in the middle here. And what we want to do is at 4 inches we want to score just in this big square. So just try and follow down to 4 inches and score in there, and again at 6, just follow down and go in at 6, just in the square. Then at 5 inches we just want to put a little notch in at the top and the bottom. Okay, and that is roughly what you should have now. Okay, you might be able to see better on that side actually. So take this away. Alright, and we're going to need a ruler because we are going to draw like a zigzag. So we're going to go from, it's there to there to there, I think, isn't it? Yeah, so from this top score line to here, just score in there. Oops. Then go from there to the little notch that we put in, then down to this one here, the partial score that we put in, and then back up to this one here. Do the same on the opposite end. Okay, and then I'll show you on the reverse. Oh, if you can, actually no, you can't see, I'm afraid. There, you can pick that up there. Okay, it's like a zigzag, isn't it? Okay. So we just want to fold and burnish now, but just leave the zigzag lines for now. Okay, so we will fold these now. Okay, and then what we're going to do is fold them over. As you can see, we have 2 diamond shapes, 2 triangles, 4 triangles, which makes 2 diamond shapes. And this is the bit that is going to open our little box. It's kind of, I think I might have folded them the wrong way actually. It's like that, isn't it? Because what will happen is when we open the box up, when we just give that a burnish again as well, because it's quite thick now. It should open. I just can't seem to remember how to do it. Yeah, that's right, I think. That's right. So fold them back this way so that and that's what opens up and has our little treats in, or whatever you want to put in. I think in the last one I put little Easter eggs in, I think. I'm just going to give these a burnish here. Yeah, that's right, so that when you open it, there's your little compartment in there. It's kind of like a bird's beak, I think. So we have 2 sections on each side, and we want to stick these bits down. So we have a score line there and a score line there, so it's from here and from here. Don't stick this bit because it won't open. So there's 2 squares. I'm going to put the glue in the 2 squares. Okay, and then we're just going to stick that down. There we go. And then it folds round like this, and it makes a really cute little box. So what I did on the original one was I rounded the corners. Oh, I don't think I'm going to be able to actually, because this paper is pretty thick. No, I can't, unless I can with this one. Oh yes, I can. Okay, I just think it gives a better finish when you round the corners, that's all. So you can put little sweeties or whatever you want to put in there. And then I'm using the stamp set, which is A Good Day, and I've got this thank you so much stamp, and I've got some Whisper White, and I'm going to use pink, powder pink, because I wanted to do it like a pink and blue kind of colour. Okay, so just stamp that out. Oh, I don't think that's worked, better do it again. I think I might need to ink this pad up actually. better. It's because it's such a light colour as well. And I have got the 1 3/8 scallop circle punch, so I'm going to punch it out with this. Okay, and then I think it's Soft Sky, the colour in there, so this is Pool Party, but it's very similar. Because I'm just going to pop that one behind there, which pink and blue. And then I've also got some of this powder pink tinsel trim, which I haven't used yet. And that's what is going to tie our little box closed. Snip it off there. It's really pretty. So I am just going to glue this onto this little blue circle, just offset it a little bit like that, and then a little dimensional on the back. And then I'm going to take some of the tinsel trim and we're going to tie a little bow . And it's a really sturdy box, because if you've got Foil Frenzy DSP, you'll know that it's almost like card, really. It's so thick. So this is a really sturdy little box, and it's just so cute. So just adjust the little ribbon, well, trim, and then take the backing off our dimensional. That is going to just sit just on there like so. And I've got some of these little silver little shapes, and I'm just going to pop a little one on there. So there we go. I hope you have enjoyed it. It has stamped properly, it's just such a light colour. There is a gorgeous little box that I made, oh, it's got to be nearly 2 years ago now, and I just think it's so cute and unusual, and it makes a lovely little treat box, gift box, whatever you want to put. It might be nice to put jewellery in this. So there you go. All the info will be on my blog, and I will be back again on Wednesday for another tutorial. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye for now.